how to change from square to circle in Blender. And also I'm sorry for my microphone. I know you can hear some background noise. My main microphone, Samsung Q2E, just broke. Completely broke. It's not working. I don't know. I don't understand why. Maybe I will fix it. But I'm really sorry if you can hear background noise. Now, back to this video. So, how to change from square to circle. Square we have here, and I want a circle, right? So, I was previously, I tried to look for solutions. I watched a lot of tutorials and I found the solution finally. So this solution is you have to go to mesh, transform, and then to sphere. Transform to a sphere. It's like 3ds. Now I'm just thinking how to memorize this, that's what I'm saying. It's like transform to sphere, and to memorize this this shortcut Shift Alt S. You can also go here, but I like to memorize, saves you more time. Alt to select all the vertices here, and now Shift Alt and S to scale, and now look, really nice. And now you can do this maybe, and maybe, actually I'm not even sure this works. Oh yeah, actually this can fix, even make it even more more circle. But yeah, so I really hope guys you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll really appreciate it. Really help a lot. This small YouTube channel really help a lot and encourage me to post more. So please watch this till the very end. It will help with the algorithm, and thank you for watching. You guys are awesome.